Welcome back, beautiful souls. I know life is busy, but I invite you to slow down and take some time out just for yourself. With this meditation, you will discover how to nourish your body, letting go of the baggage you must be holding on to since days, months, years, or even ages. It will make you light as a feather. It is something I have experienced and practiced for years and would love to help you release your weight of emotional blocks. Please be seated in Sukhasana, that is crossed legged, or on a chair, and put on your headphones. Close your eyes. All beloved souls of Krishna, let us invoke Kanha by breathing his name. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Let's go to a beautiful garden in Vrindavan today. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. You see beautiful plants and trees full of flowers and fruits with a lot of birds chirping on them. As you walk around, you can hear few cows mooing and an enchanting music of the flute. Keep walking. Can you hear the flute? Keep following that sound. The music of the flute draws you towards itself. You follow the sound and go closer and closer. You are amazed to see Kanha standing with his one leg on the other below a beautiful tree. You keep adoring him from a distance and are mesmerized by his looks and the rhythm of his basuri. You start thinking about the basuri that Kanha is playing, which symbolizes being empty from within, so that the tune can be produced. So you start thinking that if you let go all your egocentric desires and become empty from all the vasanas, then the blessings of Kanha will flow into your life like the blissful and enchanting music of the basuri. With these thoughts in the mind, you get absorbed and merge into the gentle breeze blowing, and you unite with the divine's breath. Kanha breathes you in and dissolves all the baggage that you are carrying. He tells you that you are my beautiful sound now, and you need not worry about anything in life. He then blows you into the Basuri. You feel so light and blessed and come out of the finger holes on the Basuri. You sway with the rhythm of the sound. You are absorbed inside his murli again, and you play another tune. In this way, you keep coming inside the Basuri and keep flowing out, turning into an amazing tune that Krishna is playing. Krishna's Basuri has attuned you to the sound created by him, and you feel cleansed and light. You are floating in the air, and all your stress and worries are blown away. You keep floating around Krishna and move towards his feet and caress them, thanking him for his presence. You are now enveloping and embracing Kanha, flowing in all directions around him. The cycle of Kanha blowing you into the Murli and you flowing out of the Murli continues in loops, emptying all the grudges you hold against yourself and others, and become one with the breath of the Almighty. You now come out of the flute and fall and rest on the beautiful green grass, becoming a peacock feather. The sun is going down with dusk setting in, and it's time to take the cattle home. So Kanha softly slows down playing his flute. Kanha picks you up from the grass and places you on his tiara. Kanha has accepted you the way you are and given you the place on his crown. He then gathers his cattle and walks back with all the cows and goes back home. You now slowly come back to your own body awareness. Let's come back from the garden as Kanha goes away, leaving you light, blessed, and making you feel wonderful about yourself. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Slowly move your body and open your eyes with a smile. Keep holding on to this sound and this respect that Kanha has given you. Go on with your daily chores, with limbs ceaselessly doing the obligatory duties, and the mind with the happy and calming tune played by Almighty. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Shri Krishna